So, how to download from Spotify, how to find and download clean albums without swearing words. So, for example, let's say we have found this artist. I click on him. As you see, searching simply, for example, let's see his albums. So they are all with explicit lyrics using swear words. For example, I click on this album. You see, every song has explicit lyrics, not suitable for normal people. So what we do, we go down, we click on this one more release, if we can find this. If there is no such thing, there is no album with exception title with the word clean, so there is no clean album on Spotify. But here we have one more release, then we click on the other link and we have clean version of album. Almost every United States album you can't find when you use Spotify from Europe or any other country near it. So you see, for example, here we have clean version of this album and unclean version. But for example, for this album we have only one album explicit. So in order to find, in order to find clean album, we go down till the last song, then we click on this link and we can have clean album. And for example, also in order to download any song from Spotify and similar services, you can use this program. You see, download this and then you can drag and drop songs and they will be downloaded in the best quality they offer. Spotify offer them. For example, we drag and drop this file towards our program. That's all for this tutorial.